Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, it looks like Big Joke is yet again in the news. A lot of people have asked me why we follow him. Well, we follow him because, quite honestly, he got a lot of interesting stuff going on. He seems to always kind of be in the midst of interesting news, especially having to do with Thai law, immigration law, etc. And the most recent situation, I was reading an article in the Bangkok Post, bangkokpost.com. Article is titled, Smart Safety Policing to Get Nationwide Trial. Quoting directly, the Smart Safety Zone 4.0, SSZ 4.0 project, piloted by 15 police stations in various provinces to suppress crime, will be expanded nationwide next year, said Assistant Police Chief Lieutenant General Surachat Hakpan. Funded by the NRCT, the project combines technology such as smart cameras and instant crime alert equipment with public participation in tackling crime. The positive feedback has prompted the Royal Thai Police to expand it nationwide next year. Police Lieutenant General Surachat said provincial administration organizations, PAOs, are expected to allocate a budget of 20 million baht to support SSZ 4.0 at their local stations. So, yeah, clearly it looks like law enforcement initiatives are getting more technological. They're kind of moving in the 21st century. And it looks like the situation is such that, what we saw, there's some parallels here. We did videos toward the end of Big Joke's tenure in the immigration division where biometrics were being brought in, which really pretty radically and fundamentally changed the Thai immigration system. If you go back 10 years ago, it was very much analog. It was almost an entirely paper-based system, quite frankly. And it's like night and day now. It's almost like a revolution in the Thai immigration system where we're seeing, a situation where essentially folks who've been blacklisted, folks who've overstayed in the past, folks who are on criminal watch, who are on, certain kinds of criminal lists. And as we've discussed, PBICS, PIBICS, and the app system, Advanced Passenger Processing System, those initiatives have really, especially coupled with the biometric system, have really kind of borne fruit with respect to law enforcement's, in this case, immigration's enforcement's overall capabilities. And now it's looking like Big Joke is kind of moving this stuff over into a broader law enforcement context. So presumably, I would think over the course of the next few years, we would see a situation where this is going to pretty fundamentally change the way law enforcement is conducted here in Thailand. And I suspect it'll be just as big a change as it'll probably be a change on the scale of what we saw with respect to the introduction of biometric readers here in the Kingdom of Thailand.